Yes, yeah. Yeah, man. Good morning, YouTubers. Yeah, man. Can you say what a beautiful sight. It's a beautiful sight. And what a lovely way to start. You know, see. Yeah, man, respect to start the thing this morning. Yeah, man. You know, see, me I try if you not catch nobody night, you know. Yeah, man, the fountain alone me want. The fountain alone me I focus upon, you know. Yeah, man. What a beautiful sight. Yeah, man. If you big up, yeah, man, if you big up the Royal Caribbean people, you know. In the seat. Yeah, man. Along with the government. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we change up Falmouth Water Square. Because things like this we support, you know. No matter what. And thing I'm here to talk about, yeah, we can't wait to see the Usain Bolt statue drop right or so. You know, the Usain Bolt statue. You know, some Usain Bolt statue. Usain Bolt statue go drop this. Yeah, man. I miss the water go spray up of them, out of them part, yes, sir. You know, see it? I'm going to be in Buddha. Buddha was always out here, and Buddha tell me all the things I go set up. Yeah, man. So, all Falmouthians around the world, we don't see it yet. Yeah, man, this is the new look for Falmouth Water Square. You can't wait for boat start to drop us, because as me tell the people saying, brother, boat man here, you know. You know, see it. I mean, say, because right now, you see it. Right now, you know, man, the Royal Caribbean people, they own Falmouth, you know. Certain part of Falmouth, they own, you know. They own Falmouth town, you know. So, I mean, if you understand, say, it was for them idea. Them give, them promote this thing, beautify Falmouth in such, you understand me? Yeah, man, in such aspect. Yeah, man. So, them along with the government, you know, say, because Falmouth controlled by Royal Caribbean people, in a seat. And the Chinese people, and the Indian people. Because the native Falmouth people now do much business of Falmouth. Because most of the business places now controlled by Chinese people and Indian people. And the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. Yeah, man. So, I like beautification, you know. I love things, I love when things look nice, you know. And I know say when Usain Bolt start to come here, so more the people if you know deface it. People them in the seat. Come here saying go build a cage, you know. Build a cage, put a statue. But no mind the statue gonna stay safe and people can sit down beside it and take all pictures. So them things I support them thing and all pan couple and me you understand me? Pan couple and me couple me post them, pan couple me post them because I bun for you say boy when I put Usain Bolt statue in a Falmouth Water Square on and children don't have officially running track in a seat. Yeah, man, I say that more than one time. But when I beg the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line people, I say, boy, in a seat, we not beautify Falmouth with all the boat statue. You say if you can, we let the Royal Caribbean people say if you can do something in a seat. Do something to Parkfield. Yeah, man. Do something towards the Falmouth All-Age School playground. You understand me? Because it's of a rich history now. Come here. You send both to the world, make them know. Yeah man, make them know. I just saw the boss statue they coming now. Yeah man, the boss statue they come here, sir. Yeah man, hold on, it's a thing me they do right now. It's like how the man wanna go beautify yourself. And the Royal Caribbean people, I want it to reach, you know. It's supposed to reach the Royal Caribbean people. I want to do something. In the seat. To the Uwaya Park ground. That a Falmouth All School home ground. I want to set it up. In the seat. And the Royal Caribbean people, I want to come. I want to help Kimani Mali too. In such aspects, so you can build a sports complex at the Falmouth Elixton Wetland Youth Center. You come here and get the lease, you know, but you want financial help you know. So I know to the Royal Caribbean people who can contribute towards building a sports complex at Falmouth. Because Royal Caribbean are own Falmouth, you know. I mean I beg you know. Come here and you buy out, when you buy out Barrick School. The man from Barrick School in a seat. From Barrick School go straight down to the examination depot. I mean it's a Royal Caribbean people our port authority own him land you know. In a seat. So I not tell you Royal Caribbean people our port authority say Falmouth All School for stay right there. We have to fix up Falmouth All School too. Because the whole of Falmouth people attend Falmouth All School. Everybody attend. Falmouth All School have a rich history of the people of Falmouth. Because my mother used to go Barrick School now. We call it Barrick School. We affectionately call it Barrick School. Everybody go Barrick School. Everybody at Falmouth go Barrick School. And you can't just move Falmouth All School and for what? Because Royal Caribbean only get enough prize land, you know. A Falmouth, you know. Because a full idea to put bold statue here, so, you know. They might behave like the government behave like a for them. Yes, I support it. Only thing burn me still, I say boy, we want some official running track. Yeah man. In and around Falmouth. In a seat. Because we don't mind if trucks can take part of the center again. Not football alone. Truck and field be a center. A truck for their center. Yeah man. In the honor of Pecky Brown. In a seat. Alberga Steel. Yeah man. John Senti. Wesley Foot. In a seat. Ben Johns used to run a Falmouth Center too. In a seat, you have File, you have a whole heap of man, whole heap of but me I tell you man, in a seat, and ladies too. Like Christopher Stone mother, Aldrich Steele. You have one girl who used to go neighbor named Marlene, who used to run long distance. In a seat. You have Popeye. In a seat, a long jump record holder, a champs back in the days. In a seat. Yeah man, Duffus John Senti. In a seat. So Falmouth Youth Center have a rich history when you come on to sports with the people and that's supposed to build up. One of the Royal Caribbean people near seat get this a post if you know say Falmouth Youth Center in a seat. And the Uwaya Park, Falmouth All School home ground. Yeah man, because Uwaya Park, our sports all started in Falmouth and in Trelawney. Because at the Nip School sports used to keep until they move to center in a seat. Because playing facilities and playing ground can't do too much with the youths them. That's the youth them now play no sports better because they now no playground to play the sports them. And that's my concern right now. So I big up Royal Caribbean people. We are beautify because the whole of Yasso, we all got the place. I just say I want to because people out there, I want to think upon people, you know, people in argument, you know. That's why the talk about Yasso. Yeah. When I left us now, I go over Nib. I try to say I can go over Nib. And all like a video over Nib. But the bar statue come so Bolt is my hero. And the busy one nobody wants about Usain Bolt. Bolt is my hero. And Bolt statue deserve this. So. Yes. It's gonna be a good look. You know see it? I want a Bolt statue for their Nib too. When I touch Nib, I go talk about that. But the Royal Caribbean people put Bolt statue so, along with the government. At them, I feel them idea because they own Falmouth. Yeah man, them own Falmouth, you know, brother. You know see it? So we have Falmouth now. Yeah man, them own Falmouth, and them beautify Falmouth, and them change up all the places. It's all the pavement and all them city, and them do it. You know see it? And them do it. You know see it? Because I can walk. I don't know now, because I try to keep me thing off of the people, you know. I don't want to video on people, you know. Because I don't want to visit on people, brother. Just visit the place. I go show no. Who never know Falmouth State. The whole of yourself, a Royal Caribbean do it. The whole of them places. Because no vehicle no drive one of them party again, you know. I just walk, people walk foot. By right now. Yeah man, a Royal Caribbean do them sitting here. Yeah man, the ship people them. And them own Falmouth Town. And them own Falmouth Town. You saw Falmouth Town beautify. Look at Falmouth Town, the palm tree, the man I'm sitting there. And them own Falmouth Town. So I big them up. So I want a post to reach them, you know. Because I want them fix up bike school and I want them fix up center. That's all I say now. Because I go sign out right now, you know. I go sign out because I don't want to catch nobody and everything, you know. I go sign out. I don't put the thing on people. You know, see it. I just say I big up. I just say I big up a boat statue come. And I hope when boat statue come, I just take care right. And I don't deface it. Because it's a good look. It's gonna be a good look. You know, see it? Yeah man. Yeah man, big up my friend Buddha from Bounty Hall. Because I made a reason yesterday and you tell me how the thing I go set. Because the water go circulate in the part, yeah. And I believe say, right you see the man sit down, I believe say, right you see the pump there. I believe say, yeah, the man move so I go do a little video. Yeah man, the pump post in so. Yeah man, the Buddha tell me them thing here now. Big up yourself Buddha. Yeah man, the pump the right there so. So water go circulate from the pump. Yeah man, the water go spray up in them part, yeah. And both statue go right there so. Them plan to put a cage so, you know, to protect the statue, you know. But anything still. But as I say, yeah man, I'm going to go sign off now because I don't me think too long. But big up the Royal Caribbean people them. Yeah man. Because me always big up all the ship thing, you know. But we need some sports complex. We need some place where them can, you know, see. Because both make it out of sports. We have volleyball, both there same way. So one next boat arise in a Thompson. Yeah man. Out of Stephen Francis camp. So I go just, yeah man. I go close off right now. I close off. So many people know say, early morning, you know, people that got work and all them sitting there. I don't want to video nobody, but the town of Falmouth, yeah man, belongs to Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. And them run Falmouth, and them beautify Falmouth. And them a put bold statue here, so. And big up to them. I mean, I'm looking forward so much to see bold statue here, so. When bold statue come, I know if you just put the statue, man, look, both are a hero. Both are a hero, brother. Both are a living hero. That's my mission. To live to see the honor boat and give me the highest award in Jamaica. That me want to live to see too. While boat is alive. Yeah man, I'm going to continue this topic over Nib right now. I'm going to Nib now. So as I say, I want Royal Caribbean people see this one. I mean I beg Royal Caribbean for help. You know, see it. Assist Kimani to build a sports complex for the youth of Falmouth because Kimani want some financial help right now. So Royal Caribbean people can come in and assist Kim to build up center and build up park. Because we call the park, you know. Yeah man, the Uoya Park. And there's of sports in start at Falmouth and at Trelawney. Yeah man. From Uoya Park to center, them two places to set up. You know, see it. And that me I beg the Royal Caribbean people them don't move Barrack School and then they must move Park better. They have a trouble the fishing village people them too. All the plot of land they want to own, want to make it stay for the people them. Poor road same if it does develop in a seat. Yeah man, them land they have a rich history to the people because I know so I want to control them land there now. But they want to play for you know, I want to control them land there now. You cannot remove the school, brother. You cannot change up the school. The school for refurbish and build up and beautify. Barrack School want a facelift. The school for stay where they because that's the history of the people them. And I fix up the playground for the youth them. And I fix up center. Help fix up center. Big up Royal Caribbean. I hope some posts reach them. Some high authorities of Royal Caribbean people them because we do a great job. We transform Falmouth and beautify Falmouth. You know see it? And it's all about beauty and creativity. Yeah man, because this go rainbow statue reach so. I when the water them start spray up. You know see it? Yeah man, you go love it. And you go take care right. Because only person that want deface boat statue are most bad mind people. You know see, because regards of what? Boat are evil. Because I never say boat come from Falmouth, you know. I say boat come from Trelawney. And Falmouth are the capital of Trelawney. And accolades can't too much with boat. You know see it? Can't too much with boat. Because I go from the school right now. You know see it? I don't want next video, so I'll close off now. Yes, Aya.